Welcome to the Guessium Flag Challenge. You'll see 50 different flags. For each one you have just 5 seconds. Can you score more than 40? Let's find out. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to test yourself in the next even more exciting quizzes. Are you ready? Let's start with the simplest one. No doubt you know this flag.
3, 2, 1!
Correct answer, the United States. Which country does this flag belong to?
3, 2, 1!
Correct answer, Japan. 3. Take a look.
3, 2, 1!
That's the flag of France. 4. Which country has this black, red and gold flag?
3, 2, 1!
Germany. 5. This flag has green, yellow and blue.
3, 2, 1!
It's Brazil. 6. Red, white and blue. Any guesses?
3, 2, 1!
The United Kingdom. 7. White, green and red.
3, 2, 1!
That's Italy. 8. A large red star on a yellow background.
3, 2, 1!
That's Vietnam. 9. Blue, white and red stripes.
3, 2, 1!
Russia. The last easy question. A red maple leaf.
3, 2, 1!
This one's easy. It's Canada. You did it. So if you guessed at least half, subscribe. Next, more interesting. Only 5% of people can name at least 25 of the following 30 flags. Let's begin. Which country does this flag belong to?
3, 2, 1!
Correct answer, Portugal. Guess the country.
3, 2, 1!
That's Peru. Recognize this sun?
3, 2, 1!
It's Uruguay. Which Asian country uses this flag?
3, 2, 1!
The Philippines. Red, white, and a blue double cross.
3, 2, 1!
Slovakia. Crosses all around. Which country is this?
3, 2, 1!
Georgia. This flag features a double-headed eagle.
3, 2, 1!
Serbia. Green, gold, and black, bold colors.
3, 2, 1!
Jamaica. Checkerboard pattern.
3, 2, 1!
Croatia. 3 horizontal stripes, blue, black, and white.
3, 2, 1!
Estonia. A tricolor flag with red, blue, and orange.
3, 2, 1!
Armenia. Maroon and white, quite unusual.
3, 2, 1!
Latvia. A flag with green, yellow, and red, stacked horizontally.
3, 2, 1!
Lithuania. A Nordic cross with cool blue tones.
3, 2, 1!
Iceland. For red stars on a dark blue field.
3, 2, 1!
New Zealand. Blue and white, Star of David.
3, 2, 1!
Israel. Green with a white crescent moon and star.
3, 2, 1!
Pakistan. Blue and yellow horizontal stripes.
3, 2, 1!
Ukraine. Crescent moon and stripes.
3, 2, 1!
Malaysia. Green, white, and red, with Arabic script.
3, 2, 1!
Iran. Crescent moon and star, but this one's red on white.
3, 2, 1!
Tunisia. Red background with green 5-pointed star.
3, 2, 1!
Morocco. A Zimbabwe bird on a shield.
3, 2, 1!
Zimbabwe. An eagle in the top corner.
3, 2, 1!
Zambia. Shield, spears, and a black red-green pattern.
3, 2, 1!
Kenya. Green, yellow, and red, with a star at the center.
3, 2, 1!
Ethiopia. Black, yellow, and red stripes with a bird.
3, 2, 1!
Uganda. Light blue with golden sun and pattern on the side.
3, 2, 1.
Kazakhstan. A long, narrow maroon flag with white serrated edge.
3, 2, 1.
Qatar. Question 30. A red circle on a green field.
3, 2, 1.
Bangladesh. Wow. You have reached the impossible level. Only true geography masters will score above 7. Ready? Let's begin. This flag shows a book and olive branches.
3, 2, 1.
That's Equatorial Guinea. Red and blue with a white diagonal cross.
3, 2, 1.
St. Kitts and Nevis. Green, red, and a golden star with a nutmeg symbol.
3, 2, 1.
Grenada. Red flag with golden arms in the center.
3, 2, 1.
Kyrgyzstan. All white, seriously.
3, 2, 1.
Surrender flag. Just kidding. Blue triangle, red and green bands, yellow sun.
3, 2, 1.
Namibia. Which country uses this dragon flag?
3, 2, 1.
Correct answer, Bhutan. This flag features a Kalashnikov rifle.
3, 2, 1.
Mozambique. A yellow sun on pale blue, with stripes.
3, 2, 1.
Palau. And the last one, double-headed eagle on a red background.
3, 2, 1.
Montenegro. That was brutal. How many did you actually get right? Comment your score if you dare. And don't forget to subscribe for more impossible quizzes.